What's up, everyone? This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere, coming at you from beautiful Jezzine, a mountain town in Lebanon, about a 35-minute drive east of Sidon. Look at this place. Incredible. Snow everywhere. Today is January 28th, 2022. As you can see, I mean, it just had a huge snowfall. We got a pine forest in front of us. We have some churches, and we have one of the highest waterfalls in the country right here. So what are we doing today? Well, we're gonna explore the town. We're gonna see if we find some food. We're gonna have some coffee, and we're gonna drink some fresh, super fresh, crystal clear water from the spring. Nico, you ready to go?
Let's hit the mountains.
Look at this, man, super slushy. And we're here at the viewpoint, right? This is the Virgin Mary right here, and all the snow. Gotta be careful here, don't slip, bro. Woo! So slushy. Oh my gosh, this is very scary, guys. I recommend boots. Come here with a scarf and some gloves, because today it is freezing. And what's crazy is that we were just on the coast, the sun came out and it got hot. We drove 35 minutes up into the mountains, and this is it. Dude, it's cold. It's like too cold.
Told them where the municipality is.
This is an experience. You know, I'm a Florida boy, so I never see snow.
Really?
I never see snow, man. I saw snow for the first time when I was like 15 years old, so this is always a treat for me. Snow, hail, I love how the cars are covered in snow. Obviously, cold day, winter, a lot of things are closed. The snow everywhere. They literally have to have a snow plower just to come in here and just move everything so the roads can be cleared. Wow, so much snow though. I mean, is it really like this every single winter, or just this winter's heavy?
This winter is tougher than the ones we already faced in Lebanon.
That's amazing. The car is completely covered in snow. Just wow. Wow. Hello. How you doing? What a great day, man. Beautiful. All right, so we're going over here to the spring. We're gonna drink some super crystal clear, fresh water. So we just go there and drink right there?
Spring coming from inside the mountain, inside of this, where people usually here come, and they collect water for the whole town.
Bring your bottle, fill it up with fresh water, right?
Yep.
But I'm gonna drink directly from there. All right, my friends, this is how we drink, just like this. Oh, so good. Dude, so fresh, ice cold too. Our hands are frozen. It's starting to snow like crazy. Whew, gotta be careful here. Very slushy. Oh, get to the middle of the street. Oh my God, gotta be careful. Really careful, bring boots. Ooh, and right here we have a butcher. Look at this. Assalamu alaikum. Oh man, turn the heater on. Need the heater right now. It's our hands, right? Warm me up, man. Oh my gosh, how cold is that?
It's fair, it's fine to me.
It's more than our hands are cold, you know, from touching the water. That's nothing, huh?
Some old Lebanese architecture. They do all these arcs, and you see they put on the windows these abajour, we call them abajour in French.
We're gonna stop and see the smallest waterfall in Jezzine. Smallest one, huh?
Fresh water. There's a spring, another spring here. Big triple waterfall here.
Beautiful waterfall. Just remember, be very careful with snow, especially right now. It's not really snow, it's straight up slush. Wow, beautiful. And right here's the spring, right? So fresh water right here. Woo! Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, the best, the best. So good from the mountain, nothing like it. Nothing like drinking water from the source. All right, let's get back in the car, because now my hand froze. I have to get back in the heater. All right, let's go. Next one. Yalla, yalla. Get me in this car, dude. Oh, my hand. Heater.
Let's try some nice raw meat.
Raw meat?
Yeah.
No way.
Raw meat, man.
We're gonna try some raw meat. I mean, this is what we want to do, experience some unique stuff, right?
Yes.
Oh wow, beautiful restaurant. Look at this, the fire and everything. It's great. And it's called Al Chalouf. All right, let's go inside. Oof. Slipping through. You guys, this restaurant is gorgeous. So it's like all windows, floor to ceiling glass, so you can see an entire town. You can see the view overlooking the mountain, the pine forest, and they have, you know, a little chimney here, a little fire, keep you warm. And we're gonna order some raw meat. They have wine as well if you want, and they have endless, literally endless stuff.
We will drink with the raw meat some arak alcohol, because they say it helps kill the bacteria if there are any. Our famous arak. Arak is they're made from grapes.
So distilled grapes.
Distilled grapes.
Perfect.
And mixed with water becomes a white drink.
Like ouzo.
Ouzo.
Like ouzo. Made from anise? Not from anise. Arak.
It's grape
Okay.
with anise.
How do we say cheers?
Kesak.
Kesar. It's good? Strong. See, this is very similar to basically ouzo and raki in Turkey, right? So it's made from anise. Oh, it's good. Wow, it's so smooth. It's like a little cloudy drink, right? I love the anise. I don't know how to describe that flavor, but it's very herbal. And it also comes with like some corn, right? Like chocolate. Over here, and some nuts. I like these nuts.
In Lebanon, this goes with a drink.
3 types.
But there are plenty more.
So we're gonna have how many types?
5 types in Lebanon.
Tell me.
But now we have 3 types only.
In Lebanon, there's 5 types of raw meat, but here you have 3 at the moment. And then in terms of ara, you have so by the cup or by the bottle, right? And then they also have local wines, Lebanese wines from different areas.
It's Karam wine from Jezzine.
Oh yeah?
And
Yeah, the one we saw on
and
the-
Exir wine, it's a grape from Jezzine, but Exir in between.
So I've been taking a break from alcohol, but I have to say here in Lebanon they have a few things that you have to try, like local wines and the arak. You have to try it. Take it slow, eat it with this, eat it with some beef. It's amazing. And with this view,
Look, Jezzine waterfall, yeah.
here we go. The beef, all the beef.
This is teble.
Oh.
In Lebanese name, teble.
Teble.
It's raw meat, yes, without burgol.
Okay.
What's name burgol?
So it's like
Borgol.
borgol. Okay.
Yeah.
So the same thing, but this one has borgol.
This was burgol, and this was kammoune. Kammoune, it's from South Lebanon.
Okay.
It's some types of pepper.
Okay. Wow.
Cumin.
Yeah,
So cumin.
Yeah, with
Okay,
cumin.
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 Awesome.
Yeah.
Perfect. So how do we eat this? Just raw. Like
Served
that.
with
Garlic.
garlic.
Oh, with garlic.
Yes,
Oh, nice.
garlic.
Garlic and everything here, right? Garlic
Garlic.
paste, garlic sauce, garlic everything. Just brush your teeth after.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. And so we just eat like that with a spoon. And
was Lebanese
No.
pita.
with pita?
yeah.
Okay, with pita. Perfect. So they'll make a little sandwich, right?
Yeah.
Right. So we get the pita bread. Bring up a little bit. Then we get some of this, just regular raw beef. Then we go over here, get a little bit of the garlic, just add on top, right? Get a little bit of this, right? So a mint leaf, and just make a little wrap. So it is raw beef, garlic paste, and a mint leaf. And here we go, raw beef. So soft. Love the mint. I like the pita, it's not like too toasty. And the garlic paste. Wow. Wow.
Like this.
Like that. Just grab a chunk like that. Like literally, oh wow, it's just like that. Just put it on top. Like that. With cumin. You could eat the whole thing. Oh, it's the best.
Yeah.
Let's try this one. Take a turn.
Yeah.
And just break it off like that.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Raw beef. This is stellar. My favorite is this one right here. And you don't have to eat it with the bread. You can literally just go like this. Hey, I'm not having dinner tonight.
One more.
Oh wow. I've been saying this is beef, but it's actually all lamb. So all raw lamb, and my friends, I ate the entire thing of the cumin. Entire thing. Like that?
Karam wine. The winery is here in Jezzine. And we have St. John. This one. This Corpus Christi is...
Karami is the winery, and they have 3 different variations here, right?
No, 5 different.
5 different variations, wow.
White wine.
Oh, white as well? Okay, so those were 3 reds. Here we have white. Absolutely love this restaurant. Look at this, we're gonna try some St. John from Karam Winery. That's a local winery here. And this one is a blend, right? So it's 42% Merlot, 25% Cabernet Sauvignon, 23% Shiraz, my favorite, and Cabernet Franc, 10%. So let's try this thing. So it's been airing out for like 10 minutes already. Nice, not too bold. I mean, it's perfect, especially with this winter day. Go outside with this, you feel great. It's cold, this warms you up. And we're gonna try right now, they're super crispy apples, right? Oh, dried apples. So these are quickies. Quickies? Quickies.
It's cookies. Crispy apple bites.
So these are basically dried apples.
Yes.
Okay.
100% apple. The ingredient is 100% apple.
Go, let's go. Bam.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Nice to meet you too. All right, we're gonna see the high waterfall, the tall one, and then we're gonna get some coffee. Hopefully the coffee place didn't close on us. And this is the restaurant right here, Al Chalouf. Woo! All right, so this restaurant's always closed, so he's like, the best shot of the waterfall is from right here. So we're climbing to the restaurant. Oh, wow.
Highest waterfall in the Middle East.
Right there.
Yes.
Right below your restaurant. Your restaurant is right there, and right there is incredible. Okay, my man, thank you so much.
Welcome.
We're going to get a coffee. We're going to the pine forest right there. Hopefully we get there and it's still open and we have a coffee. If not, we keep going back to Beirut. Let's go. What is this?
This is a place where you can enjoy activities.
This is the pine forest, right?
And then it's in the middle of a pine forest, and they have a restaurant. And I usually come here to chill.
Yeah?
You can also camp inside some of their bungalows. Really nice place.
So this is the pine forest. We're gonna get off. We're gonna have a quick coffee, and then we're going back to Beirut. And it's starting to rain a lot, so we have to go quick because it's gonna get really slushy, the road, and we still have to go through the mountains. Oh, hey, how are you?
How are you?
Very good. We just need a coffee.
Sure.
One quick coffee.
Sure. Lebanese?
Lebanese coffee, and I'll stay by the fire. In this resort, incredible.
Nice place inside of a beautiful forest.
Yeah, so they have 25 bungalows, they have a conference center, and right here is the restaurant. They have Lebanese cuisine, they have obviously the wine from the area, and right now we're having a juice and a coffee. So this is Lebanese coffee, which is basically Turkish, right?
It's similar to
You know,
Turkish, yeah.
Yeah, obviously the Ottomans were here, so it's inspired by them. Woo. So hot. Oh man, nice and dark.
We even call it the same way as Turkey. Kahve, kahve,
God.
kahve.
My favorite thing of this place is the tree right there. Look at that beautiful pine tree. They didn't cut it down, they left it right there. Beautiful, you know? Here's just like, it's like a mountain town, right? Come inside, relax. It's cold outside, it's hot inside. And my friends, we did it. All right, guys, so that is Jezzine, mountain town, 35 minutes from Sidon, right?
Yeah.
So what did we do? We went to the viewpoint. We saw both waterfalls. We went to Al Chafon. Al Chafon?
Al Chalouf.
Al Chalouf. Al Chalouf. Incredible family. Love
Raw
them.
meat.
Yeah, raw meat. We had wine. We had arak. So good. Everything there was phenomenal. Best view, best food. You have to go there when you come. And definitely, I think come at this time, you know, winter, but obviously summer is better.
Seasons. Yeah, of course. 4 seasons. Lebanon is good in 4 seasons. Always good.
Awesome. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. We'll see you in the next travel food adventure in Lebanon. And the snow is coming down now. We should go soon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should go. If not, we're gonna get stuck.
Before the snow takes us.
Love this coffee.